ชุดที่10 Converse of Pythagoras Theorem number 4 In this set I will talk about the converse of the Pythagoras theorem. Even though we know that it states that in any triangle, if the square of one side of a triangle is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. Then we can use the converse of the Pythagoras theorem to solve some problem as the following. If we have a right angle, if we have any triangle like this, okay, and we prove that it is the right angle triangle by using the property of right triangle, which said that if c square, c means this side, the hypotenuse c. If we take c square and then we found that is equal to the sum of the other two sides and each one square, like a square. A is this side, okay, plus b square is b. Then the triangle is a right angle triangle ก็คือเป็นรูปสามเหลี่ยมมุมฉากนั่นเองนะคะถ้าเราพิสูจน์ได้ว่าด้านที่ยาวที่สุดยกกำลังสองเท่ากับผลบวกของ2ด้านที่เหลือนะคะผลบวกของกำลังสองของ2ด้านที่เหลือแบบนี้นะคะเราก็จะสรุปว่ารูปสามเหลี่ยมของเราเนี่ยเป็นรูปสามเหลี่ยมมุมฉากเอาไปทำอะไรได้นะคะเราก่อนอื่นเราก็ต้องรีวิว we have to think about this formula area of a right angle triangle is always equal to a half or 1 over 2 times the length of leg number 1 times the length of leg number 2 because leg number 1 and leg number 2 they both form the right angle of the right angle triangle นั่นเองนะคะ example number 1 example number 1 said that in triangle ABC which is this one, okay, is a triangle. It doesn't say that it's a right angle triangle but it said is a triangle ก็คือเป็นรูปสามเหลี่ยม if AB is equal to 18 where is it here AB 18 AC is 24 and BC is 30 BC is the longest side calculate the height AD so we need to find the length of AD this one of triangle ABC. What we can do first, we have to determine the type of triangle ABC, which is the big one here, right? We have to find out that which type is a right angle triangle เป็นรูปสามเหลี่ยมมุมฉากไหม is a acute angle triangle เป็นรูปสามเหลี่ยมมุมแหลมไหม is an obtuse angle triangle เป็นรูปสามเหลี่ยมมุมป้านหรือเปล่านะคะ so we use to determine the type of triangle ABC we use converse of the Pythagoras theorem the longest side of the triangle ABC is 30 centimeters here up here 30 centimeters so we find or we calculate the square of 30 square is 900 just leave at it and after that 18 square is the other side here. Add 24 square, the other one, is equal to 324. Add 526, which is 900. So from the left hand side 900, right hand side 900 is true, right? Then we said that 30 square equals 18 square add 24 square. We can say that therefore triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. After that, step number 2, we calculate the height AD from the equation. As we know that the area of the right angle triangle is equal to a half times its base times its height. So it can be a half times leg number 1 and leg number 2 from the diagram here, from the picture. From triangle ABC, we can calculate the area of this triangle by taking a half times base. The base is 30 here, right? And the height can be AD. We don't know AD, so we just put AD like this. In the other ways, if we look at this triangle, and from the step number 1, we know that it is the right angle triangle. So the other way to find out the area of triangle ABC is we taking a half times leg number 1, which is 18, and leg number 2, which is 24. Okay, they both are the same. So we can solve the equation to find out AD. And AD equals 18 times 24 divided by 30 here. Move from left hand side to the other one, and this you have 1/2 times AD, so it can be cancelled like this anyway. Okay, so AD equal 14.4. Therefore the height is 14.4 centimeters long. But if you do not still can understand, I can show you like this. To solve this, you just take a half, sorry, AD going to be a half times 18 times 24 times 2/1, and also times 1/30. So 2 cancel 2, so you have 18 times 24/30 like this, and then you get this. Okay, next, number 2. Example number 2 said that in the diagram below, given that AB is 21, so this is AB 21 units, BC is 28, where is BC? BC is here, 28 unit. CD is 7.2 units. DE is 9.6 unit. This is DE. And AE is 37. Find the area of the triangle ACE by using the converse of Pythagoras theorem. So what can we do? Step number 1. we have to look at the diagram. And from the diagram, what do we have to know? We have to know the length of AC. Where is AC? AC is here. And we also want to know the length of CE here. We have to using the Pythagoras theorem first. Look at in the triangle ABC first. A, B, and C is already the right angle triangle, so we use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, AC square equals 2 legs. 1 leg 21 square, 21. Add 28 square, so it's equal 441. Add 784 is 1225. Then AC is 35. After that, in triangle, now let me erase this. In triangle CDE, where is CDE? CDE, the small one here. We want to find CE, so CE square equals 7.2 square add 9.6 square. 7.2 square is 51.84 add 92.16 is equal 144, and when you take the square root, CE equal to 12. Okay, now we know that this equal to 12 and the other one is equal to 35. So we know all the three sides of the triangle, the pink one. We know all three sides. To find its area, we need to prove that if it's a right angle triangle or not. So we determine, step number 2, determine the type of triangle ACE by using converse of Pythagoras theorem. From the diagram, the pink one, we just take the longest one is 37 square equals 12 square add 35 square. 37 square is 1369. 12 square is 144. 35 square is 1225. When you add them up, is equal 1369, which is true. So if it's true, that means this triangle is a right angle triangle at C, because C is the angle that opposite to the longest side, 37. So we can summarize that. Therefore, triangle ACE is a right angle triangle with the right angle at ACE at this point, at this angle. Then after that, we know that if it's the right angle triangle, you can calculate the area of triangle ACE by taking the formula that area of triangle ACE equals a half times leg 1 times leg 2, which is a half times 12 times 35. From step number 1, we say that AC is 35 and CE is 12. So we take 12 and 35 here, which when you calculate is 210. Then therefore the area of triangle ACE is 210 square units. See, you need to use step 1, step 2, and step 3. Okay, then next we go to example number 3. What is the question? The question said that in the diagram below, it means this one. Okay, PQRS is a rectangle. Okay, it's a rectangle. SR is 26 centimeter. SR 26. QR is 30 centimeter. QR is 30 centimeter. ST is 10. ST 10. ST is 10. and TR is 24 centimeters. Calculate the area of the shaded regions. Okay, they want us to find out the area of this shaded region. So first, you need to think about that. The area of the shaded regions equal what? It must equal to the area of the rectangle, right? The rectangle with the dimension of 26 and 30. I draw the wrong one, so let me erase first. Okay, so we have, it seems to be, let me try again. Okay, better. This side is 26, this is 30, and minus, and the area of the shaded regions is equal to the area of the rectangle minus the area of the triangle here, but we don't know that what type of the triangle. So first of all, step number 1, we need to determine the type of triangle RST here first by using converse of the Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. In triangle RST, ST is 10, ST 10, SR is 26, TR is 24. So the longest one is 26. You take 26 square. 26 square is equal to 10 square add 24 square. 26 square is 676 equals 100 add 576, which is equal 676. This is true. So we said that triangle RST is a right angle triangle with the right angle at STR here. Okay, at angle T is the right angle. Then next step, we calculate the area of the shaded regions by taking the area of triangle of rectangle PQRS, which is this one. Okay, PQRS minus area of the triangle RST. Area of the rectangle is the width times length, and minus area of the triangle, which is a half times leg 1 leg 2. So area of the rectangle is 26 times 30. Look at this here. Minus the product of a half, 10 and 24, which is 120. So 780 minus 120 is 660. Therefore, the area of the shaded regions is 660 square centimeters. Okay, so now you can, after we finish 3 examples, now you can go to do the exercise, and I hope that you all will be able to do it. Thank you very much for your self-studying. I'm so proud of you.